You know who this is? Young. I ain't even gotta say it. Bitch! Hey. Y'all. 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 Hey. Young Rizzy, young Rizzy, young. You on that best side, nigga? Yeah, we them riders. Young Rock, nigga. Yeah, we the flyers. You old rappers ain't shit. Put your mic up, YG bitch. Now welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Old world fucking rappers, better put your mic up. Better put a fight up, cause I got the Ica. I got the heater. I am the fire. Try to fire Young Rock, but that shit ain't working. When I make it rain, I make a lake start surfing. See up in the back, young goons stay lurking. Got the Sprite bullets, guaranteed they had you burping. Ever since I was 5, I've been hopping out the 6. They're gonna have you pause. They need a moment just like Twitch. Say I'm drawn to the track, but I hope you get the pick. Got your hoe blowing like she finna make a wish. My rhymes is dirt, guaranteed I had you buried. That got an institution for your fucking cemetery. Little nigga, it's on like a headset. Young Guns, Young Rock, we tight like spandex, bitch. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. You on the best side, motherfucker. We them riders. Young Guns, bitch. Young Rock. We the flyers. You old rappers ain't shit. Put your mic up. YG, bitch. Now welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Young Rock, bitch. Yup. Welcome to the cypher. Yeah. Welcome to the cypher. Y'all niggas already know what it is, man. Ha. Listen, trying to get with Kim like my name Eminem. Making rappers sweat like these niggas in the gym. This ain't Thanksgiving, but I'm about my collard greens. Got that ski mask, but this ain't Halloween. Shoot a nigga in that spleen. Yup, for that green. Tokyo boxers, red monkey jeans. Rockin' the spot, causing confusion. Making hoes get naked like they name Marcus Houston. If money talks, then I make a lot of noises. My niggas clean no matter what. Call us Orbit. Gun got diarrhea. I'm shitting out shots. Put red dots on you niggas like you got the chicken. Flying in the 6-4. I'm up in the Benz. I must be Brad Pitt. I got a serious case of Benjamins. You better than Young Rock. Nigga, is you serious? I'm getting money all month. Period. Yeah. This is a Young Guns production. Ha. Know that. Yeah. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher, bitch. You on the best side, nigga, we them riders. Young Goon and Young Rock, motherfucker, we the flyers. Old rappers ain't shit. Put your mic up, bitch, 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 bitch. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Welcome to the cypher. Nigga, we the flyers.